So how do we actually fix our GameSir Cyclone 2 not charging? There is one simple thing to be able to fix it actually, and that is to either connect this little cable that you should have gotten when you purchased the controller. You should either connect it to a little adapter if you have one, or you can connect it straight to a laptop or computer that has USB obviously to be able to charge it. So I'm just going to show you what I mean. So now I'm just going to connect it right here. And now when you're going to start seeing these green things here going up, that means that it's actually now being charged. This is like a sign that it's being charged, by the way, just so that you're aware of that. So yeah, if it still isn't working for you, even if you tried with the cable here and to computer and to an adapter and it still isn't working, it might be that the cable that you have is faulty. So you will need to buy another one, a USB-C to USB-A cable basically. Unfortunately, it could sometimes be the cable issue, just so you know. But basically that is exactly how I myself was able to fix it.